Hello, I'm with the Disabilities Law Program of Community Legal Aid Society Incorporated. Community Legal Aid Society Incorporated, also known as CLASI, is a not-for-profit. Our mission is to help provide equal access to justice. CLASI has offices in Wilmington, Dover, and Georgetown. CLASI provides free civil legal services. CLASI has a number of free legal programs, including our Disabilities Law Program and Immigration Program. This video contains some information about the COVID-19 vaccine and an upcoming vaccine event we are hosting at our Georgetown office on August 10th from 3 to 7 p.m. First, we would like to talk to you about some common COVID-19 vaccine myths. One myth you may have heard is that the COVID-19 vaccine can make you sick with COVID. This is false. None of the vaccines used in the US have live COVID virus in them, so you can't get COVID from the vaccine. Another myth you may have heard is that the COVID-19 vaccine affects fertility. There is currently no evidence that any vaccines, including the COVID-19 vaccine, cause female or male fertility problems or problems getting pregnant, but there is strong evidence that getting sick with COVID can hurt pregnant women and unborn babies. Now I'd like to discuss some COVID-19 vaccine and immigrant rights myths. One myth you may have heard is that if you don't have immigration papers or immigration status, that you can't get a vaccine. This is false. You can get a free COVID-19 vaccine even if you do not have immigration status. Another myth you may have heard is that getting the COVID-19 vaccine will make you a public charge. And so if you get the vaccine, you won't be able to get immigration status or become a citizen. This is false. The US Department of Homeland Security has issued a statement saying that getting the COVID-19 vaccine or treatment for COVID-19 will not make you a public charge or be used against you in your immigration or citizenship case. This means the vaccine could not be a reason for denying your immigration or citizenship case. Another myth that you may have heard is that if you get the COVID-19 vaccine, your information will be given to law enforcement. This is false. While there is some information sharing between the Centers for Disease Control and the vaccination program in Delaware, this is to help the government respond to COVID-19. Personal information from the vaccination program is not allowed to be used for prosecution or for immigration enforcement. Now I'd like to talk to you about some important things people with disabilities should know about the COVID-19 vaccine. The first is that vaccination locations should be accessible to people with disabilities. For example, these locations should have accessible parking spaces, ramps, and handrails available at the vaccination clinic. Service animals must be allowed in the clinic and remain with their handlers. Another important thing to know is that eligible Delaware Medicaid clients in need of non-emergency transportation should contact Modivacare for free transportation. Also, DART is offering free paratransit rides to get COVID-19 vaccines. When making your reservation with DART Paratransit, please mention you're getting your vaccination so you will not be charged. Finally, Lyft is funding free rides up to $15 each way to and from vaccination appointments. Another topic to know, if you're a person with a disability who is homebound due to your disability, you can call the Delaware Vaccine Call Center at 1-833-643-1715, option 3, to ask about options for an in-home vaccine. That was 1-833-643-1715, option 3. CLASI wants to help you get protected from COVID-19 and have dinner on us. We are hosting a free COVID-19 vaccine event on August 10th from 3 to 7 p.m. at 20151 Office Circle. That's 20151 Office Circle in Georgetown, Delaware. Pre-registration is required. Please call Cindy Garcia at 302-856-8255 2027. That's Cindy Garcia at 302-856-2027. This is a free vaccination event for ages 12 and up. Those receiving the vaccine will receive a free meal, a $10 Target gift card. One of our sponsors, First State Community Action, will also be on site providing hygiene products and snacks. They will be ready to provide information for families in need of food bank services as well. We ask that everyone attending wear a mask and social distance during the event. For those who get the Pfizer vaccine, we will be hosting a second event for the second dose of the vaccine. We will also have the single dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine available at the event. Thank you, and we hope to see you there.